Hello, welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today we are going to talk about the garden. I will ask you some questions. Please answer in full sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. What is a garden?
A garden is the place where people grow plant, flower, or vegetable.
Do you have a garden at your house?
Yes, I have a small garden in front of my house.
What plants or flowers are in your garden?
In my garden, there are rose, sunflower, and some mango tree.
Who take care of your garden?
My father take care of garden, but sometimes I have to.
What do you do in the garden?
I water the plant, pull with, and walk around the garden.
Do you like flower or vegetable in the garden? Why?
I like flower because they are colorful and smell nice.
When do you go to the garden?
I usually go to the garden in the morning or late afternoon.
Is your garden big or small?
My garden is small but very green and beautiful.
How do you have keep the garden clean?
I have cleaned the garden by picking up leaves and watering the plant.
What do you like the most about the garden?
I like the fresh air and pretty flower in the garden.
Thank you for answer. That is the end of your speaking test. You spoke very well. Have a nice day.
Thank you, teacher.